In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and edit your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to add custom functionalities to your Wix site. Let's get started. First, head over to wix.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.wix.com. Log into your account using your credentials if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the Wix dashboard, which is a central hub for managing different aspects of your website. After you arrive at the dashboard, you'll want to proceed to editing your site. Click on the Edit Site button available next to the site you wish to modify. This will direct you to the Wix editor where you can make various changes and updates. Next, we'll add new elements to your site. Within the Wix editor, look for the Add button. This is usually represented by a plus sign on the left-hand toolbar. Click on this button to open the Add Elements menu. Here you'll find a wide range of options including text boxes, images, videos, and more. But for our purpose today, we need to dig a little deeper. Now within the Add Elements menu, locate the Embed Code option. This feature allows you to incorporate custom code or third-party widgets, adding highly specialized functionality to your site that may not be available natively in Wix. Clicking on the Embed Code will reveal further options. Here, you'll want to select Embed HTML. This option enables you to add custom HTML code into your site, which can be useful for embedding things like widgets, forms, or scripts from other platforms. After clicking Embed HTML, a new dialog box will open. In this dialog box, you'll want to click on Website Address. This allows you to link out to an external site or service. By entering a URL here, you're effectively embedding a full web page within your own for added versatility. Once you've clicked this, you'll see a field where you can type in the URL. Carefully enter the address of the site you want to embed. Double check to ensure you've typed it correctly to avoid any errors or broken links on your site. After inputting the URL, make sure to click Apply. This will save the changes you've made and update the site with the embedded content. You can preview how this looks immediately and make adjustments if necessary. Finally, to complete the process, click the X to close the dialog box and make sure to save your work by clicking the Save button in the Wix editor. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and visible to your site visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website with custom elements and embedded content. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.